It has glowing ears. Nice. It's printing the photo instantly. It has zoom function and a lot of frames which kids can apply to their photos. I think it's very useful. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to review and unbox this camera for children. Let's look what's inside. We have a user manual in multiple languages, which is handy and useful. Camera itself. Looks really nice to my mind, and yeah, seems to be very well built. I think it's gonna be a very good present for kids. Especially, check this out. It has glowing ears. Nice. Kids will love it. Let's look what's more inside. There are multiple rolls of paper, strap, and charging cable. There is a bound roll already inside, and two spare rolls. And let's focus on the camera itself. This is fake, just decoration. This mirror is to make life easier for those who want to make selfies. I think it's IPS screen, as was told on the website. Yeah, the angles are very good. Charging port, Type-C, slot for SD card. This is microphone and this is the speaker. Here we can find the paper. You can make a photo. It's printing the photo instantly. Yeah, the printing quality is pretty decent to my mind, as you can see. For a small camera worthy of only 20 euro, I think it's very good. Yeah. Not the best way to cut the paper, but yeah, there is no way I can do it much precisely. It could be better if they put some cutting device here, but it doesn't. It's not easy to do, unfortunately. I'll try to make a picture once again so that you can see the process. The quality of the photos is below average to my mind. If you look at them at the big screen, they really look poor. But if you print them out, it doesn't look that bad. So for the kids, probably it's a good option. But for the professional use or for home use, I don't recommend it. You can also record the video. I think, yeah, this is it. So it records video. Later you can go back to files and see it here. You can replay video which have been just recorded. It can even shoot in the dark, relatively dark environment. With sufficient light, the quality is going to be better. You can also check the quality of the sound. This is recorded through the embedded microphone. I have to admit that the video quality is very poor, and moreover, the internal codec produces a lot of dropped frames. Okay, let's review the menus. So the first one is designated to make photos. It has zoom function. Could you expect such functionality from such cheap device? In this mode you can make multiple photos at once. This one will make 5 photos at once. There are also multiple filters which you can apply in real time, including some sophisticated like a mirror, some crystal, and a couple of kaleidoscopes. And a lot of frames which kids can apply to their photos. I think it's very useful. A lot of frames to choose from. There are several games. I'm not sure if anyone will really play them, so I'm not going to review deeply. So it's just Tetris. Oops, game over. A lot of settings. You can turn on or turn off these glowing ears. Change the behavior of the printing machine. By default it was turned on, so I turned off to spare some paper for this demo. You can choose the density, several modes for printing. Image quality is definitely has nothing to do with the real sensor quality. I doubt there are 48 megapixels, so it's just way to choose the quality. You can also choose the video quality. Select language. There are a lot of languages supported. The translation is very poor to my mind, but at least the English version is good. There is also an app which you can install on your phone to print photos from your mobile phone. Let's try doing it. In order to install the application, you have to scan the QR code provided in the camera. You have to pay attention that it is not from the official App Store, so you have to think about the risks. The application itself is very big and downloads for a long time. Once installed, it provides lots of functionality which I don't think I even want to use, so I ended up with uninstalling it. I think it's a really good present. We bought this for a present to our friends. Very nice device to my mind. Very nice. It's a good toy and useful device. You can make pictures of decent quality. You can print them out, build nicely, and yeah. It doesn't produce any sounds if you press the body of this camera. So you can put it like this, it can stand. So I think it's a very good present for kids. They will enjoy it. Highly recommended product to my mind. And it's relatively cheap. I bought it for just €26, which I think is a bargain. That's all for this review. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. I'll put more videos once I get more products from AliExpress.